Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can leave empty calls on Google Meet. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Google Meet app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next tap on settings. Then tap on meeting settings. After that, you can see the option of leave empty calls. Turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can leave empty calls on Google Meet. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.